Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Meghalaya Konrad ke Sangma nin ke sngi ulaong baka Sorkar kan sa Thaw yikilat ke linti ban Wanrah ya ke Jingpynsngewthuh Halor ke juk Meghalayan H. Menteri Rangba ulapen bana yakane ha ka program ya phaliu jingmut bat kinong yo mentoy naga scheme CM Elevate and Focus ya ka balapen long ha shilong bala shimentaru daki district bat ki block baper na ke leng ke Jilla. Katkum Menteri Rangba ya ke Meghalayan H laya phaliu jingmut hakeleng ke perthai daki real start geologist batkan longru ke badai ki briu ban tip shapang jongka. Hakane ka program la samru yiki check shakinong yo mentoy naga scheme focus but naga scheme CM Elevate.
Our Honorable Minister for Agriculture and Health.
3.57 lakhs, 900.
We have big dreams, we have big goals. And yes, a lot of people look at us and say, this guy is crazy. And we said, no, we may not be that crazy, but we are very ambitious because we want to make sure that we are able to move forward and make our state, as I said, one of the better states. We have seen a lot of challenges in the last many months, many years and decades. And Meghalaya has suffered a lot for multiple reasons. I'm not here to analyze those. But right now, the momentum that we've been able to create in the last 6 years to 7 years is the kind of momentum we require now to move the state further.